At TPE, we rise to every challenge. Today, we're retrofitting loader cutting edges with hardox 450, built tough, built to last. First, a precision laser cuts the hardox 450 plate according to the specified design, achieving an exceptionally high tolerance of 0.02 millimeters. The cut is completed with 20 by 20 millimeter square holes. Next, the square holes are countersunked to precisely accommodate high-tensile countersunk square bolts. Even the hardness of hardox 450 poses no challenge for our heavy-duty industrial drill press equipped with a 40mm high-speed steel drill bit. Drilling through hardox 450 like butter, dry fitting bolts in the newly countersunk holes, with the holes prepared, the new cutting edges are bolted onto the loader. Using a pneumatic impact wrench, we lock them down tight, ensuring strength and durability in every application. At TPE, we invite any challenge and rise to every occasion. Hardox 450 cutting edges, engineered for performance, built for endurance. Contact us today to discuss your next project. Or like and follow our social media pages to keep up with the latest innovations from TPE. Together, we rise to every occasion.